In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up RSI on TradingView. By the end, you'll have the relative strength index displayed on your chart and understand what you're looking at, so you can start using it with confidence. First, a quick bit of context. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a popular momentum indicator that helps you see whether price may be overbought or oversold. It doesn't predict the future, but it gives you a clear read on the speed and magnitude of recent price moves, which can be helpful for timing entries, exits, or just getting a feel for trend strength. Start on TradingView with the chart you want to analyze already open. This could be a stock, crypto pair, Forex pair, or any instrument supported on the platform. Make sure you're comfortable with the symbol and time frame you're viewing, because RSI will reflect the activity of whatever chart is currently on your screen. Next, look to the top of the chart for the Indicators button. It's prominently placed and opens TradingView's full library of built-in tools. Click it to bring up the search window. In the search bar, type RSI, or you can type out Relative Strength Index if you prefer. As you type, you'll see results populate below. Choose RSI, the standard built-in version labeled Relative Strength Index. As soon as you select it, TradingView will add the RSI to your layout in a separate pane beneath the main price chart. You'll see a line oscillating between 0 and 100, typically with guide levels around 70 and 30. By default, RSI uses a 14-period lookback, which is a widely accepted setting that balances responsiveness with smoothness. Here's how to read what you're seeing. When RSI moves toward or above 70, it suggests price has risen quickly and may be in overbought territory. When it moves toward or below 30, it indicates price has fallen quickly and may be oversold. These aren't automatic buy or sell signals, they're context. Many traders use them to look for potential pullbacks in an uptrend or bounces in a downtrend, or to gauge whether momentum is strengthening or fading. You might also notice moments when price makes a new high, but RSI does not, or vice versa. That's called divergence, and it can hint that momentum is shifting. It's best used as a heads-up to pay closer attention rather than a standalone trigger. And that's all there is to setting up RSI on TradingView. You've added the indicator, it appears in its own pane, and you now know what those lines and levels represent. Use it alongside your broader analysis to make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.